mud is caking good around our trousers. Front, eyes front, and watch the color-casins drip. Front, the faces of the women in the houses ain't the kind of sight to take aboard the ship. Cheer, we'll never march to victory. Cheer, we'll never live to hear the cannons roar. The large birds of prey, they will carry us away, and you'll never see your soldiers anymore. We'll keep your touch, we're going round a corner. Time, mark time, and let the men behind us close. Lord, the transport's full and half our lot not on her. Cheer, oh cheer, we're going off where no one knows. Cheer, we'll never march to victory. Cheer, we'll never live to hear the cannon roar. The large birds of prey, they will carry us away. You'll never see your soldiers anymore. March, the devil's none so black as he is painted. Cheer, we'll have some fun before we're put away. Halt, and hand her out, a woman's gone and fainted. Cheer, get on, God help the married men today. Cheer, we'll never march to victory. Cheer, we'll never live to hear the cannon roar. The large birds of prey, they will carry us away. You'll never see your soldiers anymore. Hey, come up, you hungry beggars, to your sorrow. Hear them say they want their tea and want it quick. You won't have no mind for slingers, not tomorrow, no. You'll be put out between decks being sick. Cheer, we'll never march to victory. Cheer, we'll never live to hear the cannon roar. The large birds of prey, they will carry us away, and you'll never see your soldiers anymore. Halt! The married kit has all to go before us, of course. It's blocked the bleeding gangway up again. Cheer, oh cheer, the horse guards watching tender o'er us, keeping us since 8 this morning in the rain. Cheer, we'll never march to victory. Cheer, we'll never live to hear the cannon roar. The large birds of prey, they will carry us away. You'll never see your soldiers anymore. Stuck in heavy marching order, stopped and ringing sick, before our time to watch her heave and fall. Here's your happy home at last, and stop your singing. Halt, fall in along the troop deck, silence all. Cheer, for we'll never live to see no bloomin' victory. Cheer, and we'll never live to hear the cannon roar. For the jackal and the kite have a healthy appetite, and you'll never see your soldiers anymore. The eagle and the crow, they are waiting ever so. You'll never see your soldiers anymore. Yes, the large birds of prey, they will carry us away. You'll never